DAX offers you a set of functions to extract information out of a date time. You can extract the year, the quarter, the month, or the day. And you see the result of the query that for each day returns the year, the quarter, the month, and the day of that date. All the information are based on standard Gregorian calendars. So the quarter is always the quarter in the standard calendar. If you are interested in extracting the time part, then you have three functions which are hour, minute, and second that extract the hour, the minute, and the second of the current time. If you need to extract the weekday, then you need to pay a bit more attention because the weekday can be extracted using different standards. You see that we can use the weekday function, weekday with no argument, no additional argument except from the date, returns 7 for a Saturday because it uses a standard where 1 is Sunday and then moves 1 day ahead every time. 1, if you use 1 as the argument, the behavior is the same. 1 is the default. If you use 2, then you are using a different standard and 1 is considered Monday. So you see that the weekday of a Saturday becomes 6 instead of 7. You can also use values like another value, which is 3. If you use 3 instead of starting from 1, it starts from 0. And again, the weekday becomes 5 because it's now 0 based instead of being 1 based. If you use values greater than 10, like 11, 12, 13, 14, then you are specifying the first day of the week. And you see that the number of the Saturday becomes 6, 5, 4, 3, depending on the number you use. And of course, the number changes all the time. Weekday is useful to retrieve the weekday as a number. If you need the weekday as a string, then weekday is not useful. You need to use the format function. Format can return both the weekday and the month. You see that in this query, we are using format to retrieve the day as a long format that returns Saturday, the day as a short format that returns only Sat, and then the same for the month. We can have it long or short using different formats. And of course, over time, the values do change. We will cover format in a different function, but it was useful to explain the usage of format, also speaking about date and time.